Hello everyone, this is Rob and Dean for theridingobsession.com, here with a new video to complement our documentation on how to transfer a GPX file over to your Garmin or other make model of GPS unit. This effort starts with the fact that on the main screen of my computer here, I've already downloaded a GPX file from one of our favorite map resources, namely ridewithgps.com. And I've also loaded up Basecamp. We're going to be using the Basecamp method because for my particular unit, which is the Navigator 5, this is the only way that actually works for this system. So here is my GPX file. Here's my Basecamp software. What I'm going to do is I'm going to import this file into the Basecamp software, and then I'm going to transfer it to my BMW Motorrad Navigator 5 GPS unit. All you have to do is select the file and drag it onto the Basecamp main window viewport. And then you'll notice in the bottom left-hand screen, it appears for your selection. Choose it from this bottom left-hand section, then scroll to look to the top of the page. You'll see a blanked out device transfer option for download or upload. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Navigator 5. This, by the way, works for many other Garmin units as well as other makes and models. I'm going to connect this to my computer. I'm going to wait for it to appear on my desktop as an external drive. This can take a while. Alright, so our Garmin has appeared on the desktop of my computer as an external drive, which would be convenient if only I could transfer the GPX files directly into it and have it import automatically. But that's not the case with this particular unit, as with some of the newer Garmin systems which require the Basecamp software. It now appears in my Basecamp software. It's going through the update process, which is already done. I've now selected the Driftless Double Helix map, which is a great tour if you get a chance to join us between Madison and Bosco Bell, Wisconsin. Once I've selected that, I'm going to upload it to my Garmin device, which takes next to no time. Transfer complete. Now I can close the window, quit this application, and properly eject the Garmin unit. Once ejected, disconnect. And now we're going to boot the Garmin normally. We're going to go to Apps, Tracks, and right here, Driftless Double Helix has been successfully moved over to the map. Now, if I don't want guided navigation, all I need to do is tap on this, select the wrench icon, select Show on Map, and set the color. I usually go with green, and hit Save. Now I go back to the home screen, and simply by viewing the map, if I zoom out far enough, I'm a little bit south of there. Eventually you can see the green lines that represent the route I would be riding if I were in the Madison area. Now, if we want guided navigation, that's a different matter. Again, we hit the gearing with the apps. We select Tracks. Tap on our route. We hit the wrench icon, and we hit Convert to Trip. We're going to go from start to finish. And we'll just keep the same name as before. When this starts out, it appears it's going to take a long time, but it starts to speed up after a short moment. All right, we're at 100%. We hit the OK button. And now if we're looking to have guided voice directions while we're riding, we go back to home. Before we do anything, we go to Settings, Navigation, and we make sure that recalculation is completely turned off. If you don't turn that off while you're writing your route, if you miss a turn, it will simply direct you using the fastest route possible to your next destination. So make sure that's disabled. Then go to the home screen. Hit the Apps button again. Click on Trip Planner. Select your new route. Hit Go. Start if you want to go in the right direction. And go. That's going to take you to the beginning of your route and lead you through the entire thing using voice-guided navigation. There you have it, folks. Basically transferring your file to the Garmin and GPX format. No longer too much of a mystery, perhaps a bit of a hassle, but it does work, and we hope that this solves most of your problems. For TheWritingObsession.com, I'm Robin Dean. Safe travels, everyone.